Okay, it's time to check the onions. I don't know why they even bother with the numbers on that thing. They don't ever change. Yeah, these been on here about 30 minutes now. It's time to flatten them out a little bit. It's looking good. Yeah. Oh man, that smells good. Okay, them onions are looking good. We got the bacon burger dogs ready to go on the grill, but first we got to put a little bit of cheese on those onions. Get some melted cheese going on top of these onions. A little bit of sharp cheddar right there. That ought to do it. I'm going to shut the lid on that. Let that cook well, and bacon burger dogs are getting ready to go on there. Okay, the cheese is melted. It's time to take them off the grill and put on the bacon burger dogs. So we're going to grab them off the grill. Get the onions off of there. One. Number two. Number three. Oops. Yeah. Now to put them bacon burger dogs on there. Yeah. I think we need a little bit of more wood chips in the old smoker. Get some of that good wood smoke going. Yeah, got the onions gone. Got them on the plate. Got the dipping sauce all made up. Now we're going to grill them bacon burger dogs. Put a little extra wood on there for a little smoke. I'm going to close that up for a while. Alright, it's time to check on them dogs. Let's see how they're coming along. Oh yeah, they're starting to look good. Those are Boar's Head, 97% fat free, and that is Hormel reduced sodium bacon. Just for all you health nuts out there. And they're starting to look like something right now. I'm gonna let them roast a little bit more. Probably need to get some more wood on there after a while. Get some of that smoke going. Yeah, it's looking good. Yeah, got some smoke now. See that smoke rising? Yeah, we're going to cook them a little bit more. Okay, bacon burger dogs are just about done. They look good enough to eat. Not a minute too soon. It's getting hotter out here. Yeah, it's time to get them off the grill. Get them on a plate. That looks good. Looks good enough to eat.